Okay, let's try this.
I wish I had eyes in the back of my head. I've been working on my pride, but the rest of me cares. Every time I feel alive, it be loving the air. You my sinner, don't fold like it's Vanity Fair. Every time that I be down, then I be running to you. It's ironic that I'm scared, but I'm calling you boo. Please don't ghost me, love me, hug me, hold me. See me, grow me, I see whole thing, bragging, boasting. To all of my niggas, working on my pride, I've been working on my pride, yeah. I've been really scared, but the nigga really trying, yeah. Never bite my tongue when there's something on my mind, yeah. Baby, you a gem, I never leave you under mine, yeah. Prayers just a phase and we get it back in line, yeah. Love, pray you stay around me forever and never leave me. We gon' get together forever, I know you need me. It ain't hard to love you, I promise that shit is easy. I can see the future so vivid, I think it's 3D. Stay the night forever and ever, I think I'm needy. Being my reflection, my mirror, I know you see me. See me, need me, easy. Hug me, love me, trust me, love me, love me.
Nice little ship. Oh my god. Sub250? These guys rock. Fantastic ship. Wow.
Your civil rights, you demand that I euthanize your name. Walk ahead. You cover us in shame and I take the blame. Living by the rules, Teen Witch, high school blues. Walk ahead. To stop and obey. To stop and obey. Now rats can shine and jokers got silver lining, and Holy Mary sings songs in the wet rain. Walk ahead. Walk ahead. Now every new day is a new fire. Until my teeth call me a liar. Building as you rip, someone show me someone living of desire.